Hi everyone, I'm Sneha from thebeautymadness.com and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make an anti-aging face mask at home. So this anti-aging face mask gives an instant firming, lifting and tightening effect to your skin. Not only that, it also brings a natural glow and brightness to your skin. So let's get started. So the ingredients that you need to prepare this anti-aging mask you require is a few banana and papaya slices, and then you require this honey, is almond oil, sweet almond oil, and this is one egg white, the contents of one egg white, and then you require this essential oil, that is grapefruit essential oil or orange essential oil. So these essential oil, any one essential oil you can use. This is optional, just in case you want to avoid the smell of the egg, so for that. And also essential oils are great for skin, and suppose for those who don't like to use egg, they can use thick milk. So now I'll prepare the pack. So I'll add around 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey is great for skin. And then is sweet almond oil, that is around 1 tablespoon. And then the egg white. Egg white naturally tightens your skin. So now what I am going to do is I will blend all these ingredients into a smooth paste. So after I have achieved a smooth paste, I will transfer this anti-aging mask into a clean container, into a clean bowl. So here is your anti-aging mask. So I'll mix the orange essential oil. I'll just mix 2 or 3 drops of it. Mix it well. So first, soak a towel in hot water and then put it on your face for about 1 minute so that the pores get open, and then spread a thick layer of this pack and leave to dry completely. So once it dries completely, just remove the pack using a wet cotton in an upward direction and then wash off with cool water. For extra glow and smoothness, you can massage 2 or 3 ice cubes. Let me share with you the benefits of using this anti-aging mask. So papaya and banana, they are best fruits for anti-aging skin. Banana nourishes your skin. It contains vitamin A, vitamin E that moisturizes your skin, smooth any wrinkles or fine lines, and gives a natural, radiant and a younger glowing skin. And papaya is rich in alpha hydroxy acids and vitamin C that brightens your skin, and also repair wrinkles. And honey and almond oil, they moisturizes your skin and firms your skin, whereas egg white, it has a natural instant tightening effect on your skin. So use this face anti-aging mask twice or thrice in a week for best results. So definitely give it a try, because it leaves your skin firm, ageless, and you can see a noticeable difference within 1 week. So hope you like this video. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and for more such videos, you can beauty videos, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you want to find any natural beauty tips or weight loss tips, you can visit my site, and the site link I have shared below this video. So take care, bye, and see you until the next video.